Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert right symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. You want to insert the symbol. You can insert this symbol into Excel cell, otherwise the text box. Now I am insert in text box. Go to the insert menu, select the text box and draw a text box. Then select the text box, click inside, go to the insert menu again, select the symbol option, then find the font Windings, then press enter. Now we can see here many symbol here. You want to add the right symbol or the check mark or tick mark symbol. Now we go some down and we can see here the check mark. You can add the box check mark or only for check mark. Now I am select this box, only single check mark, then click insert, then close the panel, then select the check mark and go back the home menu, increase the font size of this check mark. Now we can see we insert right symbol in Excel easily. You can change the color. Now I make the color red. Now we can see we insert right symbol in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.